Spring is here, and if you haven't gotten that spring cleaning done yet, it's overdue. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner, and one of the chores that sometimes gets overlooked is cleaning your window screens. Stay tuned, and I'll share an easy way to get the job done right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. Window screens seem to be a magnet for dust, dirt, and cobwebs, but because they are somewhat fragile, cleaning them can be a pain. The best way to do the job is to submerge them in soapy water. But how? Well, a child's pool is perfect for smaller screens, but for larger ones, you can build your own little pool. Nail 4 2x4s together, each about 6 feet long, on a flat, level surface to create a square. Over the square, you'll drape a piece of plastic that overlaps each edge by about a foot. Add some water and detergent, and you have a window screen bathtub. Let the screen soak for a little while before you scrub them with a soft bristle brush or a broom. Follow that with a good rinse, and your screens are ready to go. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.